Using Yahoo Mail gift cards can be a straightforward process. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card and enjoy its benefits. Step 1. Log into your Yahoo Mail account. Open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail website. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access the gift card redemption section. Once logged in, navigate to the settings or account management area. Look for an option that mentions gift cards or account credits. Step 3. Enter the gift card code. Locate the field where you can input your gift card code. Carefully type in the code exactly as it appears on the card, ensuring there are no typos. Step 4. Confirm the redemption. After entering the code, click on the Submit or Redeem button. Wait for a confirmation message that indicates your gift card has been successfully applied to your account. Step 5. Check your account balance. Return to your account settings to verify that the gift card amount has been added to your balance. You can now use this balance for any eligible purchases or services. Once you've completed these steps, you can enjoy the benefits of your Yahoo Mail gift card. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Yahoo support for assistance.